sinisisi si Cap. Bakit mo sinisisi si Cap?
Hindi po sikap, yung pamumuhay po namin ang sinisisi.
Cap. Hi, Cap.
Nandiyan si Cap, oh.
Sino nagturo nun ng ano nyo, actingan?
Actually po, I was a theater artist student and it was one piece that my former theater arts, so we borrowed it and we used it.
Sa Bukon University. Saan po?
Ligaw National High School.
Okay. Ang ganda siya, partner mo din nagturo sa inyo? Or partner?
Ako po.
Maganda.
And it's so nice, partner Rosemary, to know na meron ganyan sa Ligaw School. Alright, so...
Gagaling mo kaya sa pag-answer na ating mga question ngayong gabi? Kaya pili ka na to your right or to your left ang unahin mo. We will read your question twice.
Alright, you pick question number 10. If you were to receive a significant negative feedback or backlash, how would you handle it while staying true to your convictions? Again, if you were to receive a significant negative feedback or backlash, how would you handle it while staying true to your convictions?
Thank you. Well, for me, in my own experience, I have experienced a lot of failures, losses, and I think I never considered it as a negative feedback or a negative impact to my life. Rather, I considered it and used it as a motivation for me to grow and to use it as an inspiration rather, for me to grow, to be a better person and to be a better spokesperson to all the youth, and especially that we are in a generation that we are really being proclaimed as self-absorbed millennials or even Gen Zs. That's why I think it is really important for us to use these negative feedbacks for us to grow and to use it as an inspiration to be a better person. Thank you.
At Danya, you can pick your question here on your last side. Your question is, how has your journey in preparing for this pageant impacted your personal growth and self-confidence? Again, how has your journey in preparing for this pageant impacted your personal growth and self-confidence?
Well, thank you. In preparing pageant competition, it isn't easy at all. You have to study, you have the training, and you have also school works. That's why I think it's really hard. But as a pageant enthusiast, I think it is one of a huge step for me to take all those learnings that I've learned in pageantry and to use it as my personal growth, to execute it to be a better person that would really be a good role model to the youth. Thank you.
Once again, thank you so much, Iris Almasar from the Galaxy. And for the information of all, wala na tayong closed door interview na magaganap. That's why we have here the casual interview in Brighton.